Hi, my name is Ruth Tenorio. In this video, I will discuss the purpose of instructional technologies in the classroom to promote 21st century teaching and learning. The students we see today are not the same students we saw at the beginning of the millennium. Our new students are highly rational and demand knowledge at their fingertips. As educators, we must re-envision the role of technology within our classroom and use our students' skills to our advantage. When I was in school at the beginning of the millennium, I recall any use of technology in the classroom as pivotal in my learning. It's harder to impress kids nowadays, but with constant integration, we can develop 21st century skills using technology. We traditionally talk about the 3 R's in education: reading, writing, and arithmetic. With the use of technology, we can infuse the 3 R's with the 4 C's of 21st century learners: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. When we do that, we create a shift within our classrooms. It's time to put the time-consuming presentations in the file cabinet and begin crafting learning activities with the use of technology. This allows our classroom to shift into a student-centered classroom and gives our students the opportunity to become discoverers and explorers, giving them ownership of their own learning. Some of the tools that I use in my classroom include Google Forms, Docs and Slides, YouTube, Schoology, and various communication platforms such as Flipgrid and Padlet that allow our students to communicate with each other and with me. One of my favorite uses of technology is Google Forms and Docs. Sometimes I integrate that into our warm-ups or our exit tickets, and it allows me to very quickly give feedback to my students, whether I'm giving them the answer to a question or whether they're providing feedback to me. With the use of technology, we're able to engage our students better, and then also it allows us to be better providers of feedback to our students.